Ever feel like a ghost in the machine? In 2025, information is the only power that matters. Open source intelligence, OSINT, is the key to seeing the unseen. It's about peeling back the digital world to see a person's life from publicly available data. The tools I'm about to show you are the lockpicks for this digital reality, all free, running on Termux from your phone. This video is for educational purposes only. Use these tools responsibly and legally. The line between observation and obsession is thin. The knowledge I'm sharing is a weapon. Use it to protect, not to harm. Understand the system, and you can change it. If you're ready to see the world for what it really is, then stick around. Subscribe. Join our little society. Let's begin. First up, Sherlock. People use the same username everywhere, making them a target. Sherlock automates this process, scouring the web for a username across hundreds of platforms. You start to build a map of their online existence. The command is simple. Python 3 Sherlock.py username. The results pour in, each link a doorway into their personality. It's not about what they post, but that they post it all. This tool is the foundation of any human-focused reconnaissance. Before you can exploit a system, you must understand the people who run it, and people are the weakest link. Sherlock listens to their digital screams and tells you exactly where they're coming from. Remember, you're just an observer, a ghost watching from the shadows. Every link is a piece of a puzzle. You'll see the whole picture, and that, my friend, is the first step toward control. Next, we have the harvester. It gathers emails, subdomains, open ports, and employee names from the public domain. You point it at a domain, and it reaps. It scrapes search engines using their indexing power against them. It finds emails, subdomains, and employee names, building an org chart without ever stepping inside the building. You're building an attack plan so detailed that by the time you execute it, it feels like destiny. They bleed data, and the harvester is the bucket you use to catch it all. Now you know how to look. Reconnaissance is a toolbox, a full framework for organized reconnaissance. It turns the chaos of OSINT into a structured investigation. You have a workspace for each target, filing data neatly in a database. Its power comes from its modules, each designed for a specific task. You load a module, set the options, and run it. The framework does the work, and the results are added to your database. It's a chain reaction. One discovery leads to another, building a detailed picture of your target's digital footprint. Using Reconnaissance feels like building a weapon system piece by piece. You have everything you need to launch a sophisticated attack, all from the shadows. Websites are carefully crafted illusions. Photon is the tool that rips that blueprint right off the wall. It's a fast crawler designed to extract not just what's on the page, but what's hidden within it. You give Photon a URL, and it maps the entire website. It dissects it, pulling out URLs, email addresses, files, and even secret API keys. It's a digital archaeologist digging through the layers of a site. Photon looks for JavaScript files, exposing the hidden logic of the application. It also has a ninja mode, crawling a website without sending a single packet to their server. Using Photon is like having X-ray vision. You see the skeleton, the interconnected network of links and scripts waiting for someone like you to shine a light through them. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or CT, targets people. It's a framework for crafting social engineering attacks, the art of manipulation codified. The most common use, phishing. SET allows you to create a perfect clone of a website, exploiting trust. You can pair it with the harvester, crafting believable emails. Fear is a powerful motivator. They click, they type, you win. It goes beyond websites, creating malicious payloads. A document looks normal, but in the background, a reverse shell opens back to your machine. SET automates the technical side so you can focus on the human side. The story, the pretext, that's the real art. This tool is a reminder that the most advanced security systems can be bypassed with a simple, well-crafted lie. It's about breaking trust. Reconnaissance can be tedious. Asmodeus automates the process, launching a drone at a target that does almost everything for you. It chains tools together into a seamless process. You give Asmodeus a target domain, and it runs. It gathers subdomains, scans for open ports, and checks for vulnerabilities. It's like having a team of junior penetration testers working for you. The beauty of Osmodeus is its workflow system, customizable automation. It allows you to build your own perfect reconnaissance machine. When it's done, you get a beautiful, organized report. It turns hours of manual work into a single command, freeing you to focus on exploitation. An email address is a key that can unlock a surprising amount of information. Infoga performs a forensic analysis of a single email address. It checks the basics, then goes deeper, querying search engines and breach databases. It looks for the email's digital footprint. If the email has been compromised, you know a password is floating around on the dark web. Infoga scours social media, linking the email to a profile. The tool presents information in a clean format, giving you actionable intelligence. It tells a story about the owner of that email address. Using Infoga feels like recreating a person from the digital echoes they've left behind. An email address is a biography waiting to be read. Companies produce documents, sharing information. What they're really sharing are ghosts, metadata. MetaGoofle extracts these ghosts from public documents, searching for specific file types on a target's domain. It downloads them, extracting metadata like the author's name, software version, and even printer paths. You're getting a glimpse inside their network without ever touching it. It's a treasure trove of passive intelligence. MetaGoofle gathers clues, like dumpster diving for the digital age. You're sifting through their trash to find discarded secrets. User Recon is another tool for finding usernames, with a different approach and a wider net. Redundancy is key in intelligence gathering. You give it a username, and it checks over 75 platforms. It's about mapping their digital territory. By running both User Recon and Sherlock, you create a more complete picture. You correlate the data, confirming and expanding your findings. User Recon is fast and simple, giving you a clean list of links. It's the first wave of your attack, the scout you send over the hill. People crave identity, using their username like a brand. You're drawing the lines between the dots they've already placed. A phone number can be a direct line to a person's entire life. Phone Infoga is a tool designed to extract information from those 10 digits. It gives you basic information, then goes deeper, searching for the number's footprint online. It checks for social media connections. A phone number, which can be anonymous, is suddenly tied to a profile. The anonymity is shattered. Phone Infoga uses various OSINT methods, automating manual searching. It's efficient and thorough. It's a reminder of how much personal information we tie to a simple phone number. It's a powerful tool for investigation. So there you have it, 10 tools to unlock the digital world. Each one a weapon, a way to see the truth hidden behind the screens. The power these tools give you is immense, but with that power comes responsibility. Use them to test your own security, to see your own digital footprint. Do not use them to harm or break the law. Be better than that. Thank you for watching. If this journey into the shadows was valuable, show your support. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe and stay curious, friend.